Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Clement pays emotional tribute to someone with a big heart for Rangers. Rangers boss Philippe Clement has sent his best wishes to outgoing chairman John Bennett. The 61-year-old announced he was standing down on Saturday after 17 months in the Ibrox hot seat. He had also assumed chief executive duties following James Bisgroves' sudden departure to Saudi Arabia in June with no replacement yet sourced. The club confirmed Bennett's exit on health grounds 24 hours ahead of the first team's trip to Tannadice to face Dundee United and a week before their return to Ibrox after stadium building delays. It also followed midweek banner protests outside the ground with a display hung opposite Edmiston House aimed at the chairman and long-serving director Graeme Park. It read, "Back the manager, sack the board. Bennett and Park, asleep at the wheel." Speaking ahead of kick-off, team boss Clement paid tribute to Bennett and revealed he's been tipped off before the shock announcement came. The boss told Sky Sports, "We worked together from the beginning and I heard from him this week. I think I was one of the first people who knew that because of his illness and his situation that he had made the decision. It's a pity for the club of course because it's someone with a big heart for Rangers and living day and night for Rangers. But health is the most important thing in life, that's clear, and we wish him all the best, which he knows." Last night, we detailed the eye-watering sum Bennett has ploughed into the club during his reign and spell in the boardroom. According to last year's accounts, Bennett has two separate loan facilities of £7.14 million and £5 million outstanding and has ploughed a total of £23 million into the Ibrox coffers. Former director John Gilligan, one of the three bears who stepped in to control the club with Dave King and Paul Murray in 2015, has returned to take the chairmanship and CEO duties on an acting capacity until a new man is appointed. Sunsport exclusively revealed former FA chief Adrian Bevington had issued a come-and-get-me plea to Ibrox bosses over the vacancy and was keen on talks.